it. Push the button. Come on. Push the button.
It's all the way or not at all. If you're gonna dance, then dance all night. No time to waste. Take what you want and don't hold it back. Hit it hard. Hit it hard.
Call it. 3 on the 50 cent. 1. Should be almost our bet back. Okay, you get 3 more bets. Come on.
6.
That's 1, 2. Hit one. Come on. One more.
One more.
Come on.
3.
Come on. Big spin here. Come on. Shit spin. Change machine. Wow. Throw me.
Dolphinus.
Dolphinus. Wait. Return to game. You can get 2 $5 spins. Oh, right. Wow. See? You made the right choice. See? You made the right choice. That's 50. 20. Oh, that's a beaut there. Oh, come on. Drop the minor for us. Oh, come on. Drop the minor.
What? That's not my name.
Come on. Drop the minor. Drop it. Drop it.
You do it.
Drop the major. Come on. Hit
Come
something.
on. That's all it gave us. Thank you. Oh. Wow. Yay.
Woohoo! Go catch some Holden spin, Flip. Give us the big fat pearl right here. Pearl me! Turtle! Good, hit it. Oh! Magic. Oh, that's not magical. Bump it. Whoosh. Pearl. Pearl.
Oh. One more. Oh my goodness.
One more wouldn't help. Needed two more.
Oh.
Hit something. Come on, big money. Come on, lightning cash. All the way across.
$5. That's $20. Two more. Give us all 6.
Try 50 cents. Or a quarter. The first time I heard that sound effect.
Yeah.
Nice hit. Two more.
There you are. Two more.
Oh. Change your bet. Oh man.
Almost there.
Come on, Flip. Come on, Pearls. One more bet. I say change the machine. 3 more! Oh, I'm glad. That was reverse psychology again. Hand pay. Hand pay.
Touch for good luck.
Oh man. Every hand's on the deck. Every hand's on the machine. Every hand's on the machine. Oh.
Come on. Give a minor.
Right here.
Just a minor. 1.
Oh.
Oh. Good job.
$5.75.
Oh. One more. If they go across. Nope. Three of you. No, it doesn't go through.
2 more.
Oh man.
All right, I say change your bet or change your machine. Quarters. Quarter. Come on, we want 3 dolphins. Or 6 balls. Or both. I got both at the other casino.
Yeah.
Yeah. On that giant one. 50 cents. 3 more. Dollars again, a couple more dollars. Last chance, Pearl. Flipper me. Pearl me. I know you're mean like that. You're really mean. You're really mean. All right, I think we're done with this machine. One more.
Yeah, good job.
Can we get the hold and spin? You have to pick the right coffin.
Where's the parent?
Pick. Hold and spin.
Ah, the worst.
Can we get hold? Oh, it doesn't even give you the thing in there.
Oh, come on.
$100. Hit it. Bring all the camels.
I didn't press stop. That was stuff.
140 bucks roughly. Hold and spin. Okay, change your bet. Quarters. Chomp, chomp. Chomp, chomp. Come on. Okay, I say gotta get off this machine. You want to walk to a different carousel, or you want to keep going around this thing?
We can go to different carousels.
Thank you for playing.